Author, definition. Author in a sentence. Author pronunciation. Author meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of author. Author. Au-thor. Author. Author as a noun means a writer of a book, article, or report. Common usages in academic writing: best-selling author, author a book, author an article. Example sentence: author, noun. He is the author of several articles on dementia treatments. The common academic writing variation is author, verb. He has also authored several support books for those struggling with PTSD. Please write a sentence using author in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use author confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.